Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi, friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig Goes Shopping with Mommy Pig and George Pig. Let's start with Peppa Pig. First, I draw her nose and her 2 ears. Then, I draw her cute eyes, just like this. Next, I draw her smiling mouth. She looks so happy. Now, I'll draw her body. See, she's holding George Pig like this. Time to draw her brother, George Pig. First, I draw his face, his ears, and his smiling mouth. Then, I draw his body like this. Now, let's draw Mommy Pig. I start with her nose, then her face and her 2 ears. On her face, I add her cute eyes and her smiling mouth. Doesn't she look lovely? Then, I draw her body and her arms. What's she holding in her hand? What could it be? Oh, it's a pair of red, heart-shaped glasses. Aren't they beautiful? Time to color. First, I use light pink to color Peppa and George's skin, just like this. Then, I use dark pink for their noses and cheeks. For Peppa's dress, I color it red. For George's outfit, I use sky blue. It looks great, doesn't it? Now for Mommy Pig, I use light pink for her skin, just like Peppa and George. Her nose and cheeks are colored dark pink, too. Finally, I paint her dress orange. Great job, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.